Hello, my friend. Welcome to my English channel, my blog. So, my friend, today in this video, I want to share something with you. Today is 24 June, okay? And today it was scorching, means it was very hot, okay? The weather was very hot, okay? And today I spent my whole day inside working continuously. And another thing is, in my neighborhood, there was a marriage function. So today I felt so much disturbing when I was working on my laptop and my mobile. I was I was not feeling good and I was feeling so much disturbing because in marriage function here actually there is a tradition tradition about lady sangeet. So women actually sing local song on the loudspeaker. So it that loudspeaker voice was too much high. So that loudspeaker voice that was giving me so much disturbance. And so many guests actually came to the marriage function. So many cars, okay. But the main disturbance started in evening time because when in evening time DJ DJ setup. Then the main disturbance in evening time when people, guests and other villagers, they started drinking and they started dancing on the DJ's beat. So the DJ beat, yeah, DJ's voice was too much high. So that was creating a voice pollution. So I was not feeling good. I was thinking it's not a good thing for our, it's not a good for our ears and heart because noise pollution is also a is also danger for ears and heart. It gives so much bad effect to our heart and ear. But after half an hour, they actually lowered down the voice. So me, my family member, we actually had dinner, and DJ actually kept playing 11 o'clock. So I couldn't work till 11 o'clock. But after 11 o'clock, you can see I am I'm in front of you and talking to you, sharing my thought. So that's it for today video. I just came to share my thought. So you can also start practicing English like this. What is going on? What is happening around you, your village, where you are living? Just describe that things in your simple word. There is no need to use advanced word. Just a simple word. Describe the things. Describe some action and what is happening around you. Okay. Don't scare about the mistake because it happens. If you are a beginner, then it happens. Not about beginners. Like a native speaker sometimes also make a mistake. So there is no need to fear, no need to scare about the mistake. Just speak. You can actually also you can notice. You can also notice like in my speaking here. I think I would have made some mistake also in this speaking in this video, but it doesn't matter. Matter is that I am trying. I'm trying and describing the things that is happening around me. My main intention, main intention is not like I'm just showing off like I'm a good speaker. No, my main intention is that I just want to show that you can also start like this. If I make a mistake, then no need to, no need, then don't scare about mistake. Just speak up. Speak, speak, speak. If you don't have some vocabulary word, then go into my channel and watch all these vocabularies video. That will help you. But not just watch. Watch, repeat, and write down on the notebook. That is very important because activity matters in your learning. If you are just watching but not note down that not write note down what you are learning, then can't help you. Okay, that is helpless. Okay.